Hi, today we are making a very soft, crispy, spicy, meaty chicken blankets or chicken buns in our frying pan. So take a deep breath and stay with me. First off, I'm going to add 4 cups APF aka all-purpose flour into a nice clean bowl with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 packet of instant dry yeast, and it is 11 grams. Along with base flavor, salt, I'm adding half teaspoon salt and give a little jiggle to the dry ingredients. It's time to hydrate the flour. Add 3/4 cup cow juice aka milk. Use lukewarm milk with 3/4 cup wholly lukewarm water. Now it's time to get dirty in here. Have a confidence on your forearms and knead it for about 5 minutes straight without having a break. 2 tablespoon oil and massage the dough for 5 minutes more until oil seeps in and the dough has a very smooth, fluffy and softy texture. Okay, cover the dough like government cover our health expenses and leave it alone for 2 hours in a quite nice warm area. Okay, on to the filling. Add 3 tablespoon oil into the pan, heat it up and saute 1 teaspoon garlic paste for 30 to 40 seconds. Garlic cooks really fast, so please be careful about this little plant kingdom creature. I have 250 grams boneless chicken which are cut into small strips. Throw into the pan and fry on high flame for 5 minutes straight. For some spice in life, add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon red chili flakes. You can adjust the spices according to your spice tolerance level so you don't end up in the hospital. Cover the pan and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes more on medium flame so our chicken cooked to perfection. On to the veggie part, I have many veggies, one of which is medium onion which is cut it into thinly slices. With 1 sliced tomato and 1 medium sliced bell pepper. Give them a good stir until they give up a little bit of their rawness. I have picked so many things from plant kingdom, so here is cabbage, 1 cup sliced cabbage, and now toss everyone onto each other for straight 2 minutes and add 1 teaspoon sushi sauce aka soya sauce. Mix everything nicely and finely and turn off the flame. On to the saucy part, I have half cup of mayonnaise, and when a sauce starts from mayonnaise, it has a very high chance of having good taste. With 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon regular white vinegar and 2 tablespoon American sauce aka ketchup. And a final touch of mouth-firing chili sauce. You can skip this part, but it tastes really good. After 2 hours, the dough is looking nice and proofed. Generously flour the work surface, the white fluffy soft 2-hour baby and your rolling pin, and you can flour yourself. Cut the dough into half and start rolling it out gently and roll it until you get a smooth, nice kind of circular sheet with about ½ inch of thickness. Grab the pizza cutter, maybe from under the fridge, and cut the sheet into about 8 triangles, going from vertical to horizontal to diagonal. And that's our geometry class of today. Class dismissed. Add half of the chicken filling into the bowl because we are using half of the dough, and add half of the sauce because we are using half of the filling. So today we are going half of. Mix the chicken filling into spicy sauce and scoop out about 1 tablespoon filling on each of the triangle. And please don't overload the triangles like you do with yourself. It's gonna explode if you overload. Baptize the triangles. Brush the triangle edges with water. Now lift the one side of the triangle and pinch it and seal it. Lift the side pinch it and seal it. Okay, grab the sealed part and roll it out. And here you have this cute little baby chicken wrapped in a blanket. Round 2, grab it, stretch it a little bit and roll it out. These are so pretty little blankets. You can even play with them. Heat up the pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon oil. Brush it all over and gently place the chicken blankets and brush some cow juice aka milk onto each of the blankets and give a generous kiss of black cumin to each of the blankets. Cover the pan and cook each side of the blanket for about 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. I did not record the flipping part, so here is the another shot for you how I flip them and bake the other side. Okay, now it's time to feast. The bread has a very soft, pillowy texture with a perfect crispy layer, and the chicken filling is just die for. I mean, it's spicy, saucy, meaty, and have a little bit of crunch from veggies, and the touch of tiny black cumins gives a very interesting experience. These chicken blankets are wholesome. You can hug them, kiss them, and eat them. So, thank you. Bye.